In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make electronic payments using Bill.com credit card and Axe bank account tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your Bill.com account to set up and make an electronic payment, whether you are using an ACH bank account or a credit card. First, log in to your Bill account. This is the starting point, so make sure you have access to the account you want to use for payments. Once you are logged in, you should land on your main dashboard or home screen. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right workspace, because the menus you see can vary depending on your account settings. Next, go to your profile, and then click on the Receivables area. This is where Bill.com organizes activities that relate to incoming payments and payment options. You may see additional sections when you open this area, so focus on the link or menu item labeled Receivables. After you click it, give the page a moment to load so the related options appear clearly on screen. From there, click on Online Payment. This is the section that allows you to create a payment electronically. At this point, you should see a screen that prompts you to choose how you want to pay. If the page shows more than one type of payment or category, you are in the right place as long as you can select the electronic payment method. Now you will select your payment method. Bill.com will let you choose between an e-payment or ACH option and a credit card option. If you plan to pay directly from a bank account, choose e-payment or ACH. If you want to use a card instead, choose credit card. This choice matters because it determines which payment details you will be asked to provide next. After selecting the payment method, choose the bank account or credit card you want to use. If you selected ACH, you will be working with a bank account. If you selected credit card, you will be working with a credit card option. Look for the section on the screen that asks you to choose which account to use, and then select the one you intend to pay from. If you have multiple saved payment methods, confirm you are choosing the correct one before you continue. Once the correct payment source is selected, you can begin the setup process. The interface should prompt you to start setting up the payment, and this is where you will confirm the details associated with the account. If you are using an ACH bank account, you will want to make sure the account selection and related information look correct. If you are using a credit card, confirm the card you selected is the one you want to use for this transaction. Then click Apply Now and add your bank account. This step is about starting the enrollment or linking flow that connects the bank account to the payment system. The wording can vary slightly depending on what Bill.com shows in your account, but the key action is applying and adding the bank account. Follow the prompts that appear on screen to complete the bank account details entry, so the ACH payment method can be used for electronic payments going forward. After you add the bank account, review the page to make sure everything is saved and that you are ready to proceed with the payment. Taking this moment to check helps prevent issues later, such as selecting the wrong payment method or realizing something was not saved correctly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.